Hi everyone, welcome to Chandan Logics. You all know that students who are preparing for bank, SSC, railway, police, defense, CSAT and other competitive exams are very familiar about Chandan Logics. Why the reason is, Chandan Logics have trained lakhs of students, and out of those lakhs of students, already thousands of students secured government jobs in various sectors. Now how this is possible to us? This is possible to us only because of our expert faculty team and our exclusive designed curriculum for examination. If you observe our expert faculty team, each and every faculty is having vast experience and they're having in-depth subject knowledge based on the present examination pattern, and they have trained lakhs of students. And coming to our curriculum, we have designed our curriculum in such a way that our video lectures are completely digital interactive video lectures where we are going to teach each and every subject in depth, complete concept oriented teaching and complete time saving techniques based on the recent examinations. And we are going to conduct mock examinations also. These mock examinations are exclusively based on the real time experience of what actual examination is going to happen. And we are going to provide you complete concept oriented PDF materials also. If you are a serious aspirant and looking for the right platform to achieve your dream job, download Chandan Logics app. Let us discuss the next pattern of questions. The next pattern of questions are based upon angle or degree. Now based upon angle or degree, we are going to get questions in examination saying like a person travels 10 meters towards north and turns 90 degrees clockwise and walks 5 meters and turns 45 degrees anti-clockwise and travels 10 meters. So questions will be in this way, saying like turning and walking, turning and walking. Now how to solve these type of questions? Actually based upon clockwise, anti-clockwise, we have solved questions earlier model. But in that what happened is, he is just turning clockwise 90 degree, anti-clockwise 45 degree, he is just turning. But in this question, what happened is, he will turn and he will travel also. He will turn 45 degree and he will travel some distance. He will turn 90 degree and he will travel some distance. Then how to solve these type of questions? Okay, we are going to look at them. Even these type of questions also going to come in examination. Look at the question. Here we have a question. Let us look at the question. Vijit walks 10 meters towards the west. Then he turns to the left and walks 10 meters. Then he goes 10 meters after turning to the left. Then he turns 135 degree to the right and walks straight. In which direction is he going now? So we are supposed to know in which direction is he traveling. Look at the question. Now he is traveling 10 meters towards which direction? West direction. Yes. So he is traveling towards west. How many meters? 10 meters towards west. He turns left and walks 10 meters. Now he is turning left. Yes or no? So he is turning left and walks 10 meters. Left is nothing but towards south and walks 10 meters. After turning to left, now again he is going to turn left. Yes or no? So again turning left means now in this direction. After turning left, then he turns 135 degrees right. Now if you observe, he is turning left and walking 10 meters it seems. Yes, he is turning left and walking 10 meters. After that what happened? He turns 135 degrees right. Now observe carefully. Many of the students commit mistake here only. 135 degrees right means, now if you observe, right is nothing but towards south. If the person is going to travel in this way, now this is 90 degrees right. Yes or no? This is 9 degrees right. But we need to travel 135 degree. So again I need to travel 45 degrees extra towards right. So 45 degrees extra means I need to travel in this way. Yes or no? Now my question is, in which direction is he traveling now? So I need to know what is this direction. Yes or no? I need to say what is this direction. So say what is this direction. Now if you observe, this is nothing but south. Yes, this is nothing but west. So direction between southwest is nothing but southwest direction. So person is traveling towards southwest direction. Is that clear? Very, very simple. These type of questions comes in examination. Very simple. Just what you have to do is, when they ask you to travel 135 degrees right, you know that if you are going to turn right this way, now this is 90 degree. Yes or no? Now as it is 135, you need 45 extra. So 45 extra means you need to turn 45 degrees more. So when you turn 45 degrees more, now this will be the direction. Now this direction is nothing but southwest direction. So we can say answer for this question is going to be southwest. Is that clear? Very simple, very easy. Just read the question carefully and follow whatever the question is saying. Nothing more than that. Okay. Let us look at the next question. P started from his house towards west. After walking a distance of 25 meters, he turned to the right and walked 10 meters. He then again turned to the right and walked 15 meters. After this, he is to turn at 135 degrees right and to cover a distance 30 meters. In which direction is he going now? So we need to know in which direction is he traveling. Look at that. P started from his house and walked towards west. So he is walking towards west. So he is walking towards west. How many meters? How many meters means 25 meters. So he is walking towards west 25 meters. After that, he turned to right. Just a minute. So he is walking towards west. He is walking towards west 25 meters. Next, he turned to right. Right means towards north direction and walked how many meters? 10 meters. So he turned to right and walked 10 meters. Next, he then again turned to right and walked 15 meters. So turned to right and walked 15 meters. Okay. Next, after this, he is to turn 135 degrees right. Now from this point, 135 degrees right. Now if you observe, this is 90 degree. 135 degree means this one, yes or no? 135 degrees right. 135 degrees right and to cover distance of 30 meters. So 135 degrees right and covering a distance of 30 meters. Yes. Now I need to know what is this direction. Yes. Now what is this direction? This is south. This is west. So direction between southwest is nothing but southwest direction. Yes. So we can say answer for this question is going to be southwest direction, which is option 3. Is it clear? Very, very simple. Just read the question carefully. Nothing more than that. Look at the next question. A person starts walking from his home. After walking 4 meters, he takes right turn and walks 3 meters. Then he takes left, walks 6 meters. Then turns 135 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. Walks 5 meters to reach his friend's house. And we have some questions based upon this. Okay, look at this. So we have 2 questions based upon this. So we need to say what is the answer for these 2 questions. Okay, so we have 2 questions. Yeah, we have 2 questions. We need to say what is the answer for these 2 questions. Now let us represent the diagram. A person start walking from his house after walking 4 meters. So as nothing was mentioned, you need to know in which direction he is traveling. Yes or no? In which direction he is traveling means if you observe it is mentioned here. He is initially, if he initially start walking towards west, look here, it is mentioned here clearly. If he initially start walking towards west, which means initially he is traveling towards west direction. Actually here it is not mentioned. Initially which direction he is traveling, that is not mentioned here. But in the question they have mentioned, initially if he is going to travel towards west. So take that he is traveling towards west direction. So if he is going to travel towards west how many meter? He is going to walk towards west 4 meters. Okay. A person start walking from his home. So this is his home. So he is starting from home and towards west he walked 4 meters. He takes a right turn and walks 3 meters. Now he is taking right turn and he is walking 3 meters it seems. Okay. Next, and then takes left and walks 6 meters. Now he is taking left. He is taking left and he is walking how many meters? He is going to walk 6 meters. Okay. Next, and then turns 135 degrees anti-clockwise. Now look here, 135 degrees anti-clockwise means actually from here, if he is going to turn clockwise, now this will be clockwise, yes or no? This will be clockwise. Anti-clockwise means it should be in this way, anti-clockwise, yes or no? 135 degrees anti-clockwise. Now if you observe, this is going to be 90 degrees anti-clockwise. I need 135 degrees. So 135 degree means it should be in this way. Okay. So 135 degrees anti-clockwise. 135 degree anti-clockwise direction and walks 5 meters to reach friend's house. So he is going to walk 5 meters and he is going to reach friend house it seems. Okay. And he is going to reach friend's house. So he is walking 5 meters and he is going to reach friend's house. Now this is going to be his friend house. This is going to be friend house. Okay. Now observe. What is the question? Reach his friend's house. Now what is your question? Our question is, if he initially start walking towards west, then which direction is he facing finally? So we need to know finally he is facing towards which direction. Now look here, finally he is facing in this direction, yes or no? Finally he is facing this direction. Now what is this direction? Now if you observe, finally he traveled in this way, yes or no? Now what is this direction? This direction is nothing but, this is south, this is east. So this direction is nothing but southeast direction, yes or no? So we can say answer is going to be southeast direction. So for first question answer is southeast. So finally he traveled 135 degrees anti-clockwise and traveled a distance of 5 meters to reach his friend house. Okay. Now which direction he is traveling means he is traveling in this direction. This is south, this is east. So this is nothing but southeast direction. So answer is southeast. Next one. What is the shortest distance between his home and his friend's home? Now we need to know shortest distance between his home and his friend's home. Now if we observe here, this is his home, this is his friend's home. Actually we need to know shortest distance. If we need to know short distance, we need to know what is this horizontal distance. But actually if we observe here, now if we observe, this is 5. As this is 5, now if I want to know this distance, what is this distance? Actually I does not know. Now if we observe, if this is 5, if I am going to apply Pythagorean triplet, now what I can say is, if this side is going to be 3, then I can say this side is going to be 4. So then I can say this is 3, this is 4. When I say this is 3, then this also 3, yes or no? If both of them are 3 means, then the horizontal distance is going to be same, yes or no? Which means in the same horizontal straight line. When it is in the same horizontal straight line, out of 6, this is 4. Then I can say this is 2, so this will be 2. So then I can say distance as 2 plus 4, 6. But this is wrong answer. Why means 6 is a possibility, but 6 is not the answer. Why 6 is not the answer means, now observe here carefully. Actually 5, 4, 3 is a triplet. Now it can be in this way or it can be in this way also. Yes or no? It can be in this way. Now this can be 4 and this can be 3. Yes or no? This can be 4, this can be 3. If this is 4, this can be 3. Now 5, 4, 3, even this is triplet. Which means I can't say what is the exact distance between them. I can't say what is the distance. Why means here 4, 3 possible. Here 3, 4 possible. So this is a triplet. Now in this triplet, what happened means I have only this side. This side is 5. But this side it can be 4. So it will be 3. If this is 4, this will be 3. We have both the possibilities. If this is 3, then what happened? The remaining balance, this is going to be 3. But as per the question, we need to know distance from his home to his friend home. But actually if we need to know distance means, first I need to finalize this. But I don't know whether this value is 3 or 4. As I am unable to conclude what is the distance between these 2 points, as I am unable to conclude, we are having 2 possibilities, 3, 4, 3, 4. As we are having 2 possibilities, so we cannot say what is the distance. As we cannot say, we can say answer is cannot be determined. So this is going to be our answer. Okay. So we have a choice of marking cannot be determined. So you need to mark answer as cannot be determined. By means here you can't say what is the exact size, exact length of this side. Whether this is 4 or this is 3, no idea. Similarly, whether this is 3 or 4, no idea. So as we don't have proper idea about this side, so we can't say what is the distance between his home and his friend home. So we can say answer is cannot be determined. Okay. So these 2 are the questions based upon the previous one. Now let us look at one more question. Mintu walks 8 meters towards south from his office to reach park. Then he takes left and walks 15 meters to reach traffic signal. Then he walks 90 degree anti-clockwise direction and walks 8 meters to reach coffee shop. From the coffee shop, he takes left and walks 8 meters to reach home. So, okay, based upon this, we have some questions. Look here. Here we have 3 questions based upon this. Okay. So here we have total 3 questions. So we are going to answer these 3 questions now. Look at the, we'll solve this first and we are going to answer. So look at this. Mintu walks 8 meters towards south. Look. So he is walking 8 meters towards south. So he is walking 8 meters towards south from his office. Now this is office. From office he is walking 8 meters south to reach park. So this is park. Next. Then take left and walk 15 meters to reach traffic signal. So he is turning left. So he is turning left and walks 15 meters to reach traffic signal. Yes or no? He is turning left and walking 15 meters to reach traffic signal. Then he turns 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Look here. Now if I move in this way, this is clockwise. Anti-clockwise means in this way. Yes or no? Which means he is traveling towards north. So he is going to move 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction and walks 8 meters to reach coffee shop. Now he is moving anti-clockwise direction 90 degree and walking 8 meters to reach coffee shop. Yes or no? To reach coffee shop. Next, from the coffee shop he takes left and walk 8 meters. From coffee shop he is turning left. And he is walking 8 meters to reach home. So he is reaching now home. Okay. Now we have some questions. So this is the representation. We will solve the questions based upon this. Now what is your first question? What is the shortest distance between Mintu office and traffic signal? So we need to know distance between office and traffic signal. This is office, this is traffic signal. So we need to know shortest distance. Now if you observe, this is 8, this is 15. Now I need to know what is this value. Yes or no? Now if you observe 15 square, what is 15 square? 15 square is nothing but 225 plus. What is 8 square? 8 square is nothing but 64. Now just calculate square root. Now when you calculate square root, this is going to be 289. So square root of 289, 17 square is nothing but 289. Yes or no? Which means I can say the shortest distance is going to be 17. Yes. So we can say answer for this question is going to be 17 meters. Okay. Very simple. Just you need to know shortest distance. Apply Pythagoras theorem, you're going to get the answer. Next one. Park is in which direction with respect to Mintu's house? We need to know park. Look at park. Park is in which direction? Park is in which direction with respect to Mintu's home? If you look at this is home. So when you look from home, park is in which direction? This is south. This is west. So now this is nothing but southwest direction. Yes or no? Southwest. So we can say answer for this question is going to be southwest direction, which is option 1. Next, one more question. What is this? What is the horizontal distance between Mintu's office and coffee shop? And in which direction is coffee shop from Mintu's office? So we need to know distance and we need to know direction. In which direction is coffee shop from Mintu's office? Now here, from Mintu's office, if you observe here, this is Mintu office. From Mintu office, coffee shop. This is coffee shop. Coffee shop is in which direction means, now if you observe, from Mintu office, coffee shop is in east direction. Yes or no? And we know the distance also. Distance. What is the distance means? This distance is 15. Yes. So we can say answer is east 15. Yes. So answer is going to be east 15. So east 15, which is going to be option 1. Okay. So coffee shop is in which direction? From Mintu's office. Coffee shop is in which direction means from office, coffee shop is towards east direction. How much distance means? Distance is nothing but 15. Okay. So answer is nothing but 15 meters towards east. So with this model is also completed. So we are going to have questions based upon this model also, saying like 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 135 degrees, turning and moving. So whenever you have questions in this way, you can solve these type of questions very easily just by representing, nothing more than that. Just you can represent the diagram. Once if you are able to represent, then you can solve these questions very easily in examination. Okay. So let us look at next miscellaneous questions. Now this is the last model of directions. Now in this we are going to cover miscellaneous questions that can be asked in examination and some which are already came in examination. Okay. So we are going to come across different category of questions. Now all these miscellaneous questions, most of them came in previous papers. So we are going to solve all those miscellaneous questions now. Okay. So this will be our last model. Once this is completed, our total complete directions will be completed. Okay. So let us look at the question. AB is a straight line. An insect starts from A and moves vertically up through 4 centimeters and then horizontal towards right through 3 centimeters, and again vertically up through 2 centimeters, and horizontally towards right through 2 centimeters, and finally vertically down to reach B, then the area of the figure formed in square centimeters is. Look here they are not asking distance, they are asking us area. What many of the students will do? They will not read the question. Without reading the question, they will try to find the distance. But look here the question is not asking about distance. They are asking about area. Area covered is how much? That is the question. Okay. So look at the question. AB is a straight line, it seems. And inset start from A. So let us say this is A. Okay. So inset is starting from A. So inset starts from A and moves vertically up 4 centimeters. Now it is moving vertically up. So vertically up how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. So it moves vertically up 4 centimeters. So now it is moving vertically up 4 centimeters. Next, and then horizontally towards right 3 centimeters. Now horizontally towards right how many centimeters? 3 centimeters. And again vertically up through 2 centimeters. Vertically up again how many centimeters? 2 centimeters. And horizontally towards right 2 centimeters. Horizontally towards right 2 centimeters. Next, and vertically down to reach B. And vertically down to reach B. Now as per the question, it is clearly said that AB is a horizontal straight line. As AB is a horizontal straight line, now this is A. Now this is A and this is going to be B. Now our question is what? Our question is to know what is the total area covered. Now total area means if you observe here, now this is going to be how much? This is going to be how much? Now this is going to be 2. Yes, even this is also going to be 2. Now observe carefully. Now if you observe, we need to know this total area. We need to know this total area. So once we calculate this total area, automatically we can say what is the answer for this. Now if you observe this figure, if you observe this figure, now this figure is a rectangle, yes or no? This figure is a rectangle where one side is 4, another side is 3 plus 2, 5. Yes. So this is a rectangle. And if you observe, this is a square, yes or no? This is a square. 2, 2, 2, 2. All the sides are same. As all the sides are same, this is going to be a square. Now I need to calculate area for this area. Calculate area. Now area of a square is nothing but 2 square, that is 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 means now this is going to be 4. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is 4 into 5. 4 into 5, now this is going to be 20. Yes. Now when you add both of this, now this is going to be 24. So we can say answer is nothing but 24 square centimeters, which is option 1. Is that clear? Very, very, very simple. But good question. If you're not going to read the question properly, you're going to lose the mark. There is a reason, read the question properly, understand the question. Here they are not asking about distance. They are asking about total area covered. Total area covered means I need to know what is the total area covered in this. Here we have a rectangle, here we have a square. Now rectangle area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So 4 into 5, that is 20. Here area of square is s square, side is 2. So 2 square is 4, 20 plus 4, 24. So we can say answer is nothing but 24 square centimeters. Is that clear? Let us look at next question. Two cars start from the opposite places of a main road 150 kilometer apart. First car runs for 25 kilometer and takes a right turn and then runs 15 kilometer. It then turns left and then runs for another 25 kilometer and then takes the direction back to reach the main road. In the meantime, due to minor breakdown, the another car has run only 35 kilometer along the main road. What would be the distance between two cars at this point? So we need to know distance between two cars at this point. Okay. Now look at the question. Actually, two cars, they are separated by 150 meter. So this is like two cars. So one car is starting from here, another car is starting from here. Okay. So here, from here, car A is starting. From here, car B is starting. And both of them are separated. Both of them are separated 150 meters apart. Okay. Both of them are separated 150 kilometers apart. Okay. Now, from here A is starting, from there B is starting. What happened? First car runs for 25 kilometer. Let us say first car is car A. So car A is going to run 25 kilometers. Now let us say it is going to run 25 kilometers. So this is like first car. So first car is going to run 25 kilometers. So it is running 25 kilometers. After that, what happened? Right turn and then runs 15 kilometers. So it is taking right turn and it is running 15 kilometers. Next, it turns left and runs another 25 kilometers. Now it is taking left turn and traveling how many kilometers? 25 kilometers. And then takes the direction back to reach main road. Now this is the main road, yes or no? This is the main road. So now again it is going back to main road. So going back to main road means now here it is. Now it is going back to main road, which means now it came to this place. Okay. So first car is at this particular place now. Okay. It came back to main road. So first car is at this place. Now what about the second one? Second car, due to minor breakdowns, it was able to cover only 35 kilometers along the main road. So it covered only a distance of 35 kilometers. It covered only distance of 35 kilometers along the main road, which means second car has traveled only just 35 kilometers. Why? Means due to breakdowns. Due to breakdowns, it was able to travel only 35 kilometers. Now question is asking, what is the distance between them? We are supposed to know what is this distance. Okay, observe carefully. Now if you observe here, what is the total distance covered by first car? First car has covered a total distance of 25, and what is this? This is also 25. So 25 plus 25, first car has covered 50. Yes or no? First car has covered 50 kilometers. What about second car? Second car has traveled 35 kilometers. Yes, which means out of 150, first car, second car, both of them combined together, 50 plus 35, 85 kilometers covered. Yes, 85 kilometers covered means remaining balance is going to be how much? 65. Yes or no? So we can say distance between them is nothing but 65 kilometers, which is option 1. Is that clear? If you're a serious aspirant and if you're looking for right platform to achieve your dream job, immediately download Chandan app. For more details, contact below numbers. Thank you. All the best.